Hey guys, it looks like we're going to get an early start for our trip this weekend at Juniper Springs in Ocala, Florida. So I'm trying to get the trailer hooked up. Hopefully Jan will get off of work early. I got off a little bit early. It's still daylight out even though we've lost the late summer evenings, so it's kind of chilly out. You can see I got my jacket on, but we are headed to Juniper Springs this weekend and hopefully we'll have a great time. I'm going to finish getting the trailer hooked up and then we can get out of here. So see you on the road. Hello again. Well, we made it into the park last night. It wasn't too bad. We got in a little bit after dark, so we didn't bother setting anything up. We just ran off the battery last night and get everything set up. So my mission this morning is to take that generator and set it up somewhere out here so that we're not going to drive everybody crazy with the sound. So I'm going to try to get the generator set up. This is the first time setting the generator up and plugging it into the Airstream. So I'm going to give that a shot this morning and see if we can't get some electricity going and charge the batteries after last night. So stay tuned. I'm going to try to get this set up. Bye. Hey guys, just checking in here. We finally made it to Juniper Springs, the actual springs. You can see behind me right here. Yeah, we've just walked around a little bit on the boardwalk. We took a guided tour with one of the rangers, and he was explaining all the interesting things going on at the park and all the different plants and animals and stuff like that. So this is pretty neat. So we're having a good time. You can see Jan's got her little beanie ball on this morning.
Yeah, don't judge. I can't take it off, even though it is warming up.
Yeah,
I have knit cap hair.
Yeah, because you know we're Florida, and now it's dropped down to 40 degrees, and we're freezing. So we've got our big jackets and everything on. So we're going to continue to walk around the park and have a good time, and we'll catch you up as we walk around. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
Good morning. It's Sunday morning, New Year's Eve, and it's kind of chilly out. I don't know if you can see the sky, but it's clear. There's no clouds in the sky, so it is pretty cold out this morning. So we decided to forego the canoe kayaking trip, and we're just going to walk around. There's a trail that we found yesterday, but we didn't know how long it was, so we decided not to try it.
Save it for today.
Yeah, because it was so late in the afternoon when we found it. So we're going to give that a try. You can see behind us is a spring. I'm going to hold it up higher here. Boy, the water is crystal clear and beautiful. And there is, I'm going to walk over here. There is, excuse the camera work. I don't know if you can see down there, right there. You can see the water boiling out of the ground. It's pretty neat. It's a different kind of spring than what's on the other side over there. So we're going to walk this bridge. There's a bridge here. We're going to walk the bridge and head to this trail, and maybe we'll get back with you on the trail. See you on the trail. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, we're here. She's waving. We're here. This is the last night of our New Year's weekend here at Juniper Springs. We are in front of the old mill building that is run by the spring, which is over there. You can't see that, but we've got video of it throughout the video. The spring feeds the mill, and that water wheel rolls around, and they used to have a generator in there that used to feed electricity to the whole park, but it's just an empty building now. So we're here enjoying our last night. The sun's setting over here, and it's a beautiful evening. I just keep eating right in front of Jan's face. I'll drive her crazy eventually. But we wanted to wish everybody a Happy New Year's. Even though you're going to get this late, we're still going to do it because all day long Jan's been yelling at me about not saying Happy New Year's to everybody. So I'm saying it on video once, and everybody will get it.
You ready?
Happy New Year.
Well, we're supposed to do it together.
Okay, ready? Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
Happy New Year. Even though you're going to get it late. But like we said, we're just enjoying the last part of the evening here, and wanted to shoot a little bit of video, and again, like I said, wish everybody a Happy New Year. Now that I've said that like 6 times. So we'll say goodbye from here, and we'll close out the video tomorrow, I think, with our last day here wandering around the park. On that note, we'll say goodbye.
Bye. Hey, stick your finger.
Hey guys, here we are. It's the last morning of our trip to Juniper Springs, and as you can see, the weather has turned awful.
Can you see my breath?
Yeah. It was so nice yesterday, and then last night, about what time?
I don't know.
Maybe about 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Jan started going, is it raining outside? And of course I was going, because I was still sleeping. But then we got up this morning and it was raining, and the temperatures really started to get cold on us. We were watching the news the other day, and they said there might be a chance for snow flurries. But we were like, no way, it's not that cold. But I'll tell you what, this front coming through, it seems like it actually might get cold on us. So you can see there's water on the road, and it really put a damper on our last day here. We were hoping to go wander through some of the trails again, but that didn't work out. So we just packed up. We got everything packed up and ready to go. Take a look. We did have a really nice campground. I mean, it was big and spacious, so we were really happy with Juniper Springs. I would definitely say we'd come back here again. Our first boondocking experience, right?
It was good.
Yeah, we didn't have any problems with the generator.
I actually did get warm.
Yeah, everything worked fine. We didn't have to run the generator very much to keep the batteries topped off. So I would say it was a very positive experience. Probably wouldn't want to do this in the middle of summer where you had to run the air conditioner and have a generator running all the time. But with the cool weather we had, just having to run the generator every now and then, top the batteries off so we could run the furnace. Didn't use much LP gas, so I was surprised about that. I thought we were going to use like 2 tanks of gas from some of the horror stories that I had written about, or read about, not written about, read about. So we were pleasantly surprised. We didn't even use a half a tank of LP gas, so we got really lucky. I would say we had a good time. Boondocking was a very positive experience, so we're definitely amped to do it again. So we're going to close the video out here and see you guys on our next adventure. Remember, if you like the channel, to give us 2 thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our adventures that we try to do on a bi-weekly basis. So on that note, we're going to say keep chasing your dreams, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.